Hello friends, this is Shrikant and today we'll be solving this problem of Priyanka and toys of HackerRank. So little Priyanka visits a kid's shop. There are n toys and their weights is represented by an array W from 1 to n. Each toy costs 1 unit, and if she buys a toy with weight W dash, then she can get all other toys whose weights lies between W dash and W dash plus 4, all in both inclusive. So our task is to find the minimum units with which Priyanka could buy all the toys. Okay. So the problem is pretty simple. Let's look at this sample test case. We are given 5 toys, and these are the weights of all the toys, and we are required to find the minimum units by which Priyanka can buy all the toys. Okay. So let's start with the demonstration. So this is the weights of the 5 toys. What we'll do is we'll first sort the weights according in increasing order, and then the first one will be always be in the answer. So at least we'll have to buy 1 unit of toy. Okay. So answer will be 1 initially. Okay. And then now as long as we have a toy such that W of I plus 4 is greater than equal to W of J, we can get that toy for free. Okay. What it actually means is, so we'll start a counter J from the second element, and we will continue as long as we find toys whose weight is less than equal to weight of this element plus 4. Okay. So this toy can be collected for free, and this toy can also be collected for free. After that, when we come to this toy, when J reaches here, then the weight of I, that is 1 plus 4, is not greater than equal to 10. Therefore what we will do is we will make I equal to J, and then we will increment the counter J to the next element, and we will continue this process again. Now I is this one and J is this one. Again we have to check whether W of I plus 4 is greater than equal to J. As long as we have that, we can simply collect all the toys in this. Okay. So now let's start coding this. First of all, we will have to declare a variable, and we have to get the size of the array, and then we will declare a vector of integers W of size n. Now we will get these weights in the vector I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus W of I C in. Okay. Now we have to find the minimum units required to buy all the toys. So we will get minimum units, we'll say, and we'll pass this vector W to this function. Now we will create this function which will return us an int, and which takes a vector of integers of weights. Fine, we will pass it by reference so that there is no additional copying of the vector. Now initially we have to sort this weight vector, right? So what we will do is we will call the sort routine of the algorithms and pass the iterators to the beginning and the end of the vector. Fine. Now we have to take an integer variable, say min units is equal to 1, since the first element will always be there in the output. Okay, now for we have to start from the second element, right? So this will be the variable j. So for int j equal to 1, j less than n, j plus plus. So here n we have not passed, so we'll use w dot size instead. Okay, now inside that, and we have to use this variable I is equal to 0, that is the first element. Okay, now as long as weight of I plus 4 is greater than equal to w of j, will keep incrementing j. Okay, otherwise what we will do is, in this we have to make I is equal to j, as I have already discussed earlier. I equal to j, and then j will be plus plus already here, and if I is still less than the number of elements, then we will make answer as plus plus. Okay, here it will be I. Fine. After that we will return the answer. Okay, fine. We will try to run this code and see if there is any problem with this code. Yeah, answer was not declared in the scope. We will use comma ans is equal to 1. Fine. Here, and yeah, this should be w dot size. Okay, yeah, now we'll see and try to run this. Okay, here we have missed a semicolon. Let's run it again. Okay, here we have to print this value. Yeah, so this test case has passed. Let's try to submit and see if all the test cases pass. Okay, so as you can see, all the test cases have been successfully cleared. We have been able to solve this problem. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then share it with your friends, and happy coding. Thank you.